Failing fast. I'm a firm believer in failing fast. I'm also a firm believer that it's a way. I personally think I think words are very important. How you look at the world, how you think about the world is really important in your attitude. Failing fast in some problems, and it's not so bad in the startup space. Failing is considered, everybody goes, oh, failing is actually a good thing. Well, in my mind, I say, I want you to succeed fast. That may mean you make mistakes and have some problems along the way, but the whole goal is succeeding quickly, not just failing. Again, this is really, this may or may not make sense for you, but for me, I think how you approach life and how you approach your products and what you do is really important, how you think about it. I think it's OK to succeed slow. Most businesses do succeed slow. They're not instantaneous hits. There's a few. Those are the massive exceptions. Right? I'm sure, I suspect Tim's talked about how the percentage of venture capital funded things and what percentage actually succeed and get funded versus, it's a small percentage. Hopefully, with what you guys are getting here, you're increasing your chances. That's what the whole idea. I'm sure that's part of why you guys are here. You want to increase your chances for success. But if you have context and think about the longer view, it's OK to succeed slow as long as you're incrementally getting toward that success. I want to talk about sprints a little bit. It sounds like you guys are doing a form of sprints in product. It's very popular. A lot of people think, oh, we do weekly sprints, we do weekly stand-ups, we do this thing. And I want you to think, again, if you think more holistically, sprints, time-wise, everybody goes, oh, it should be weekly sprints, it should be everybody at once. That works sometimes. It doesn't work all the time. So holistically think about how long the sprint really needs to be able to actually accomplish what you want. Maybe it's not a week sprint. Maybe it's a day sprint. Maybe it's a 3-week sprint because of the complexity of this core thing you're trying to work on. And maybe it's an engineering thing that takes 2 weeks, but the design's actually only going to take a week. So maybe it's very possible that there should be different for different people in your group who's trying to accomplish something. So think about context again, that word. Think about what's right for your team. Don't just follow, well, this is what it says in Reese's book, so this is what I must do. Think about what works for you. Try things. That's a great thing to try, and if it doesn't work, then fix it. But don't think about it that you have to do exactly the same as what's been proselytized.